Our sister stories was
OSS to me was
Hi, my name is Emily. My pronouns are she, her, hers.
My name is Analia. My pronouns are she, her, hers. OSS to me was a safe space.
Our sister stories was really empowering to me. It gave me the chance to create a better bond with the girls in my community, girls who had the same mindset and who were also as strong as me.
It was a way for me to escape stress and difficult times. Today, I am more open-minded and more understanding with not only myself, but other people as well.
It was really refreshing to have a group where beliefs and opinions were shared and stories were shared, and we would comfort each other.
I think that we need a safe space like this to let youth know that they have sisters to support them and to let them know that they are not alone.
The girls I was with in OSS really uplifted me and reminded myself to love myself, and I felt like in order for me to do that same for them, I had to become a leader and lead them and push them up to their best potential.
I can't remember, like...
Wait, am I leaning?
Shoot. Okay. I'm done.